Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a video from Google Chat in iPhone or Android phone. So in here, you just need to open the Google Chat apps on the Google Chat on the Gmail apps in here. Click on the chat tab and you can see that someone has sent me a video, so just tap on the chat in here. Then if you want to save it, you can just long press on the video, or sorry, click on the video first. Then here there will be this download button, or you can also click click on the download in here, and the video will be downloaded and saved to your phone. This one. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.